Hey guys, are you ready to learn about how to build a waitlist page in ClickFunnels 2.0? It's Rachel with the Certified Funnel Builder, and let's hop right into it. All right. Okay, so a reason you would need a waitlist page is for our scenario, we have a offer that we are launching. We are only launching it for 1 week, and then we want to send people to a waitlist until we launch again. So when you're, launching a new offer, you're going to be taking the URL and you're going to be posting it everywhere, like on Facebook and YouTube, trying to get traffic to come to your sales page. And then when you're in this situation, we're turning it off after a week, and we don't want people to be able to click those links and still go to our sales page. We want them to be sent to a waitlist page because they can't buy it anymore. All right, so that's why you would need something like this, like a waitlist page. So I'll show you guys how you would do that. So as you can see right now, I have all the pages built out. So make sure that you have your sales page built out. You have your waitlist page, your thank you page, whatever else pages you're going to need in your funnel. You are going to come into your sales page or the first page that that link takes them to when you're launching. And I'm going to go in here and I'm going to edit it. And I am going to add, it doesn't matter where you add it, you can add it anywhere on your page. I'm going to add a countdown timer. Let's come down here and I'm going to go into the settings of this countdown timer and I'm going to set it to the date that my launch ends. So we are launching in January. So I think we start January 9th and the offer is going to end January 16th at 12 a.m. All right, so I have that set up. Now I want to set up a redirect. So I'm going to come over to where it says timer actions. And instead of it saying show hide content, I'm going to click redirect to URL. Now I'm going to go over here. This is my waitlist page, but I need to go to the live page. So make sure you guys do that. I'm going to copy this live link right here. And I'm just going to paste it into this redirect URL. All right. So now I have a timer that once it hits January 16th at 12 a.m., it's going to redirect everyone to this page, to this waitlist page. So I am going to save it. And then I am also going to hide this timer because nobody needs to see it. Nobody needs to know it's there, but it's still going to work. So now on January 16th, at 12 a.m., if someone were to go to my sales page with this link, it will now automatically redirect them to the waitlist page where they can sign up and they'll get notified the next time we launch. All right, so yeah, that's about it, guys. That is how you set up your waitlist page. That's how you get your sales page to redirect to your waitlist page when you're not running your offer. So if you guys have any questions or any concerns, throw them in the comments and I'd be happy to help you guys out. Hope this was helpful and I'll see y'all next time.